Hello, hi. This is a demo of version 1.3 Friendly app, and I will demonstrate the incoming call behavior and how call continues in background after the call is connected. So this is the buddy dashboard, and from the user side, someone will call to this buddy, and this user will get the call as an incoming call. So I will just call from other side, from other device, and yeah. So I have just called from other device to this device, and we can see that we are getting the incoming call full screen, and I will just accept the call. So the call is now accepted and it's started. The timer has started, and I will try to speak from other side so that we can validate that call is working or not. So hello, hi.
Hello, hi.
Hi, can you hear
Hi,
me?
can
This
you
is a
hear
test
me? This is
audio.
test audio.
This is a test
This is a test
audio.
audio.
Hello, hi.
Hello, hi.
So as you can see that call we are getting, and I will just minimize the app and speak again from other side. Hello, hi.
Hello, hi.
Hi, how are
Hi,
you?
how are
One, two,
you?
three.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, so in the background also we can hear the voice of the connected call, and we go back to the app, and we'll just end the call. So yeah, this is the behavior working for the audio calling.